Meaning of double jeopardy.
Double jeopardy.
Double jeopardy.
Double jeopardy.
Double jeopardy. Double jeopardy is a legal term that refers to a situation where a person is tried for the same crime twice. It is also a constitutional principle that prevents a person from being prosecuted or punished twice for the same offense. The result of double jeopardy is that if someone has already been acquitted or convicted of a crime, they cannot be tried again for the same crime. This principle is meant to protect individuals from being subjected to double punishment and ensures that the government cannot abuse its power by repeatedly prosecuting citizens for the same offense.